make the post on the first page of your um, on the first page. So for example, I'll just have a look at my blog. I'll just show you what I mean. So the I want to pin like this, for example. I'll just mute this. Okay, so I want to show you how to pin your post on the first page. So when somebody visits your blog, they can see the post on the first page. It's always pinned there, so it's always there. So anything that you want to show your viewers on the first page. So what you do is you go to your post. I'll just log back in. Okay, you go to your post. I'll click the Easter one first, and it's called a sticky post. So I'll just go to document, okay, and then I'll go to post format, which is standard, and then I'll just stick to the front. I'll check tick this checkbox, and I'll just save it. I'll update it, so it will show it on the front page all the time. And if I don't want it to be shown on the front page, and if I want another post, so I'll just untick this and update. Okay, and I want my second post to be sticky or shown on the first page, so I will just go to document. Okay, I'll stick to the front page, so it will always be on the front page, and I'll just update that. Okay, and then I will just reload that, and I can see, you click file, then I can see that this um the post has changed, and this one is now sticky, so it's showing on the front page, and that's gone down now. So you can just change anything you want on the front page by just clicking stick to the front page in the document section and just update it.